Hello, what's up guys? Crypto everything here again with another new video. I know it has been a long time. I've just been creating shorts, but today I'm going to be showing you something very important, a coin. This coin that I talked about it before in my previous video, and if you did buy the coin at the time I talked about it, congratulations. You just made a 10x, and again, this same coin is going to be doing even another 10x because there's a big news that I'm going to show you concerning this coin that is going to boost this coin. So that is why I'm making the video. And in a few days time, that coin is something is going to happen to that coin. I'm going to give you two extra coins that you should buy at the end, before the end of this video. So please stick around, don't skip around because you wouldn't know when I will mention the coins. So I'm going to be giving you two extra coins, or I can make it three that you can actually look into. And the coin that we're talking about today is called Mint.club. So I made a video about it in my channel. I talked about why you should buy it, why you would cry if you didn't get into it. And again, today the coin has done there was a massive dip and the coin has gone back up, and I'm going to show you the chart now. Okay, so this is the chart and this is the coin. Okay, so this is the chart that it has done. So I talked about the coin while it was around here. Okay, around here. Now as you can see, it has gone back up, and soon it's going to blow past this place. And those that bought the dip has made at least a 10x from here. And again, you still have a chance to get in if you've not gotten into this coin, and I'm going to be telling you why in a second. Okay, but before we do that, I just want to tell you a little bit about Mint.club, why this coin is so special. Okay, so now this is the Mint.club website. So what Mint.club does is a website where you can mint tokens. So minting means to create coins. So if you felt like you had enough a big fan base and you wanted to create your own coin, you could come to Mint.club and then you can create your own coin. Then people can buy coins, your coin from Mint.club. And the most interesting part about thing about this whole setup is that whatever coin that is minted on this Mint.club is pegged to Mint.club token, meaning that whenever there is you buy a token on this website, it means you are indirectly buying Mint.club. So for every rise in any coin in this market, there is a rise in Mint.club. And before you can even purchase any coin in this website, you'd have to have Mint.club token. So for everything that you are doing, you are going to be using Mint.club as the transaction fee, as everything. So that's what you're going to be using for in this website. And that is why this all the coins here, they are pegged to it. So if you buy the coin, if you buy any coin, you're buying Mint.club. Let's say, for example, you buy okay, this debate monkey. Okay, so at the back end, you won't be buying debate monkey, you'll be buying Mint.club. Okay, so indirectly pumping the price. Okay, so the reason why there was a massive dump on this coin was because there was a hack. There was a hack on the website, and there was a hacker, and they fixed it. That was why it came down. It wouldn't have ever come down to this point. So this was like an opening for those that wanted to quickly make money, because now those people that bought the dip are very much in a big profit. Okay, and now again there is an announcement. There's an announcement on their Twitter. Okay, concerning what is going to be happening soon. So if you look here closely, you will see okay, I'm coming. Let me show you the news. Okay, so Mint.club is going to be listed on L Bank or L Bank today at 2:30 on December 1st. This is December 1st on 2021. Okay, so it's going to be listed today. This is the first pump. You know, whenever a coin is being listed on an exchange, there is a massive pump. People tend to buy those coins, and that is not the only one. There is another listing coming up soon in 3 days time, on the third of December 2021. There's going to be a listing on gate.io. So Mint.club is going to be listed on gate.io, and that is another game changer. You know, all these things, whenever a coin is being listed on any massive exchange, the price tends to go up. And even without these exchanges, the price of Mint.club is just as steady as anything, because it keeps going up, because people keep buying coins, people keep minting coins. Think about how much coins, the number of coins that are out there. You have thousands of coins. Okay, so Mint.club is another website where you can mint these tokens easily without you doing so much work as coding or anything. So people tend to use this website, and the coins are pegged to Mint.club, which gives it an edge over all other coins, and it has been going up steadily. If not for the hack that happened, we wouldn't have had the chance to even buy the dip. There wouldn't have been a dip. So this is one coin that I want you to buy. If you have not bought it before, I think you should really look into it again to see if it's something you will want to, because it's something I would want to, because I actually invested in it deep and I made a lot of profit. Okay, still I haven't taken my profit. I'm waiting for the coin to be listed on gate.io. Definitely there's going to be a spike in the price, then I will take my profit, then I will wait for it to dip back a bit, then I will buy back, because this is a long-term coin. Okay, so if you haven't bought this coin, please look into it. Okay, so like I told you before, I was gonna give you two other coins that you should look into or buy, and the first coin is called Kabilim fan token. I know some of you would know Kabilim. So is this guy on YouTube? So he just reacts to videos. He doesn't talk. He just uses his facial expressions, and people just laugh. So he has created this coin with Mint.club, and now people have bought the coin. As of yesterday, when I looked at this coin, it was about 30 cents, and now it has almost done 2x. Okay, so and from the listing that is going to happen once Mint.club is listed on Gear.io, as the price increases, it affects all of the coins too. So the prices of the coins, most coins in minted from Mint.club, they're going to be affected positively. At least people will have a bigger exchange to buy and sell these coins. So this coin, Mint Kabilim fan token, is a good token to look into. As you can see where it has grown to. So yesterday it was around here, 30 cents, and now it has grown again. As you can see, it's not even coming down, and it's not ready to come down. It keeps going up and going up and going up, and this is one coin that you should look into. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just me doing research and educating you. It's just left for you to do your own thing. And the next coin is Z Meta. Okay, as you can see, Z Meta is Zuckerberg metaverse. As you know, Facebook is about has changed its name from just Facebook to Facebook to Meta. Okay, so as you can see, they did their own coin here too, or it might not necessarily be them. It might just be somebody that just used the name, but the coin is doing very, very well. As you can see the chart right here, it has been going up, although it faced a dip here, but now it's correcting itself and it's about to go back up. So it's about to go back up, and I suggest that you really get into this coin around this place where it is right now, so then you can make a profit off of this. And these are the two coins that I promised to show you, and you can connect, you can buy this coin from this website using either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Okay, any other wallet that you have, you can use it to buy. All you have to do is click on connect and click on whatever wallet that you use. If you're using Trust Wallet, Binance Chain Wallet, or MetaMask, and then you can be able to buy as cheap as they are. So okay, I just hope I was able to touch all of the angles that I wanted to teach to show you today, and I hope you gained value from this video. If you did, why not give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like my videos, share to your friends, and please stick to this channel, because soon I'm going to be giving you more coins that could potentially give you 100x before this year runs out. Okay, so please stick to my channel, and I have so many short videos that talks about so many coins that you should buy. Check them out. A lot of coins that you should buy right now that are gonna blow up soon. Okay, so check them out, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.